In this video, I'm going to show you how to cull in Adobe Bridge. So there's actually a lot of different ways to do this. I'm going to show you the one that I do think is the easiest and the most convenient and easy to do. So the first thing, of course, you want to open up the folder where you have your images. I didn't have a lot of random images, so I just basically copy pasted the same image, but you will get the idea when I show you what you have to do. So the first thing I would recommend is actually you click on the first image in your folder, and then you can see kind of your preview over here on the right. You can also make it a bit bigger. You could also double click on the preview over here, which will open it up in full screen, and then you can go ahead and just use your arrows in your keyboard to actually navigate through images. And of course, if you don't like this, you could go ahead and exit out and do it like this. It's completely up to you. Now to cull, what you can do is use stars and colors. So let me show you how we do this. Now, I'm going to go in the first image. Let's say I like this one. You want to hold down your Control key on your keyboard and you can give it a certain amount of stars. You could go ahead and press Control in 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5, and this will give them either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Okay, so as you can see here, it's showing the stars, and up here the stars are showing as well. Then you can just press your arrow key, and then let's say I like this one as well. I'm going to give it 1 star, and this one as well, and then that way you can basically go ahead and just assign a specific number of stars to a specific image. So you can do this by holding down Control and then pressing numbers from 1 to 5 for the amount of stars you want to add. Now you could also do this inside the preview mode. So inside big picture here, as you can see, I can go ahead and press Ctrl 1 and it's adding a star down at the bottom. You can see it's changing like this. There we go. And yeah, that's the first way you can do it. And then you can also go ahead and just use this filter, and then you could do show 1 or more stars. It's gonna show those. And then you could do like show 5 stars. There's only 1 right now, etc. So yeah, you could do that way. The second way is by using colors. Now to use colors, you have to do the exact same thing I just explained. You could do it like this or in preview mode, so the full screen mode, and then you can just use the colors. You can use with holding down your Control key and then using buttons 6, 7, 8, 9, or 0. Okay, so as you can see, the colors are currently changing. If I do 6, 7, 8, 9, it's changing. Okay, so you can just go ahead and color code the images that you want. And what you can also do is give them stars and colors together. Okay, so as you can see now, I gave it like the blue color and then 5 stars. So you can, of course, color code them that way as well. And then you can also give them stars to be able to identify them easily. So that's pretty much the easiest way and the quickest way to cull in Adobe Bridge. And then you can just go ahead and sort them up here, which is very, very convenient. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.